What's up YouTube, GV Trades here again for another day. Today is November 18th, currently 9:49. I actually took a quick scalp on my topstep accounts just to secure the winning day. As you can see, I already got the winning day for today. I also took a short on the alpha accounts during Asia session around I think 9:30. And then after that, I pretty much just slept and let the trade run. But I'll explain all the trades, the two trades that I took. So first one, I'll go over this trade first. So technically, we're still pretty bearish, high time frames. 4 hour bearish, 1 hour. There's really no gaps for me to target except this one here. Actually no, there's nothing. But anyways, these are my targets here. The London highs, Asia highs, London lows, which wasn't my main target right now. So market open. We also had this 15-minute 5-minute gap right here, somewhere here. Yeah, this one, which was holding us pretty well. So anyways, market open, we went higher a little bit, tapped the 5-minute gap, dumped, and then back up again. And I thought we were gonna take London highs, but no, we rejected off of that. We inversed this 1-minute gap right here. Then we formed a new 1-minute gap right here. Okay, so we held this 1-minute gap along with the 5-minute gap. As you can see, we held that pretty well. But I was waiting for more confirmation, so I basically entered off of this candle right here when it failed to inverse the 1-minute gap. Entered right here. My break-even point was right here on this low. But what I did, basically this was my take profit. Obviously it got taken just now, but what I did, I tried my stop loss because of the fact that we made an SMT with ES on this candle. So as you can see, SMT right there. ES took the swing low. I'm sorry, NQ took the swing low. ES did not. So that's why I trade my stop loss right about here. So obviously got stop in profit right there. So a little quick scalp for the day. Took about 2 minutes. I mean, if I did hold, I would have been break even for this trade anyway, because this was my break even point right here. Oh shit. Anyways, I don't know what happened there, but let's go over the alpha trade that I took last night. Well, last night still pretty bearish overall. We were in this 4-hour gap right here, and also a 1-hour gap as well, as you can see. So let's see, around market open, we pumped higher, we rejected out of the gap, dumped, then pumped higher again, and this time around 9 o'clock. That's why I started to, goon around the charts. So, and also we don't really have any targets to the upside at this point, except the 1-hour gap somewhere here. This one right here, and then this London highs. The only targets if we do inverse this 1-hour gap, but no. So anyways, I used a 15-minute chart for this one. Sorry, because we were also in this 15-minute gap. So yeah, that's a pretty strong gap right here that we were holding. Okay, as you can see, we rejected off of it. We never bothered inversing it. Okay, let me get rid of this pink stuff here. Rejected. 8:45, 9 o'clock, 9:15, 9:30. Alright, so this was my entry point right here. Right here. And I put my stop loss right above here. Right above the gap-ish. Because I was aiming for a... At first, my first target was this previous daily low. Right here. So it was a 1 to 1.75 hour. But then I also saw that we had this 9:30 low from November 14th, so about last Friday. So I targeted that instead, since my break-even point was this guy here. So I entered here, I waited. So around 10 o'clock, that's when I went break-even. So I was risk-free at this point. I was so tired that night, so I pretty much just went to sleep. And it seems like it took profit at around 11 o'clock, so it took about almost 2 hours. So 9:30 till 11, so about 1.5, I would say. Okay, that's my trade for the day. One London, one NY scalp. So for this account, I need to make at least 2 more 1,000 wins in order for me to meet the consistency rule, and also in order for me to meet the 5 winning day rule as well. After that, I should be able to get a max payout on all of these, on all of the 3 accounts. And for the top step account, I need 2 more winning days. So 150, 200, whichever. But yeah, that's it for today. Have a good day. Peace.